Sludge is the product of sewage treatment. It is an extremely complex heterogeneous body composed of organic fragments, bacteria, inorganic particles and colloids. The purpose of ball press is to reduce dust, control capacity, return utilization, improve transportation, etc. The dislocation of equipment adjusting roller is divided into circumference and passive gear end adjusting disc. First, loosen the circumferential bolt. Press the direction and quantity of dislocation. Determine the direction of tightening the top wire and the number of fastening. Then tighten the circumferential bolt on the adjusting disc, and then insert the dislocation of the test plate for adjustment. Adjust the direction of the dislocation and the number of buckles. Then tighten the circular bolts on the adjustment plate. Then insert the dislocation of the test plate, and then adjust.